Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da Modrina Auto Enterprises, Maulai Nongkwar TSS Road Shillong, Ringkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant, M Crown Hotel, Kendaila Shillong, Bat ka Orange Nissan Lumso Po Shillong. One Bantit ya ka Kali Datsan Redigo Pynthymmai, ka Baskem Bat Biddor.
Ka Bible Society of India Shillong Auxiliary haka arpu nyoterik urisau arajar arpo kala penlong ye ka program Pynthymmai Nongkitkam hayeng mani jong ka balang Presbyterian Maulai Mauro haka jingedon rengkat ki Nongkitkam jong ka Bible Society Shillong Auxiliary ye ka program la penyai da Reverend L Nongsit ubalongru chairman bat la yoru ye ka jingpuli na ka ktin jong ublay bat duwai na ka kong BW Banat la yoru ye ka jingruai ka bakerpang na ka standing choir jong ka Bible Society of India bat na isamla tiara ba kordor saukmi bat ka jingkren balengkot na umus Reverend Pioli Lingdo.
I appeal to you therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, to present your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and acceptable to God, which is your spiritual worship. Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewal of your mind, that you may prove what is the will of God, what is good and acceptable and perfect. Do your best to present yourself to God as one approved, a workman who has no need to be ashamed, rightly handling the word of truth. Let the word of Christ dwell in you richly. Teach and admonish one another in all wisdom, and sing psalms and hymns and spiritual songs with thankfulness in your hearts to God.
Nghe tha u Giêsu nong siêu spa jonga u stem kis em trai ki trai jingkramen jing em jonga
u long u blay u ba krau bo om don ki we pa Kani ka jinget ha utrai jinget banadu men wela ai hangi bau long long pen em shilan ta jing em jing suk ha ulan shem
ulale bun ki kamba Long nong pun kia Uben jem ki eryong Babe kertep hangi Ki jingkit bakya uba
Klam arta tin ha ungan yai sno Ki pok jonga uba baro Ti kum tangan om kinria No na kani
So now I'll read the names, and as I call your name, please stand and stand until consecration is finished. And please listen your where you are, so that you will know. Office bearers, Reverend Lendan Sim, for the term 2020 to 2023. Vice President Reverend Rolian Thanga Lal Sim, Treasurer Elder S. Marbanyang, and Secretary myself. Members of the Auxiliary Committee, Reverend N.K. Nonglang, Reverend S.L. Warjri, Reverend G.S. Litton, Reverend.
Today being the Bible Society service, let us begin, let us start with few points to ponder. Katto kan ni kimat ke ba ngin perkhat, ngin yo wan perkhat. Few points to ponder. See, to us Christians, there are many things in life. Shibon hagajingem. Things in life which we cannot understand, which we cannot explain. Issues that come up, events that take place, calamities that come in our life, which we cannot understand, which we cannot explain or describe. But to us Christians, there is one solution. And that solution is this: just trust in God. Ki bangimla ban sotho ki bangimla ban batai ki jingjia jingwan hak perthai. Kadon tang ka solution. Ngej haublai. This trust in God comes out from our Christian faith and belief. We have in English, you don't need 2 words. Faith and belief. Hakakasing isyong betang gajingay. Fi ruay mantan yaga ban yengs kam gajingay. Christian faith and belief. Christian faith and belief should lead us into trust in God. Trusting in God completes our Christian faith and belief. If Christian faith and belief does not lead us, does not make us trust in God, that Christian faith is not complete. Kamlong kajinget kaba pura. Kajinget Kristan, faith and belief, kadaiban penlong yengi bangin shania haublay. So trusting in God makes our Christian faith and life complete. Let's say they sound confusing, but they are not. They are not confusing. It is simply saying that our Christian faith and belief leads us to trust in God. And the Bible, see, today is the Bible Sunday, and the Bible is the basis, is the foundation of what we believe and trust as Christians. Pagka Bible gaday ka nongrim ka tenrai jong ka jingay Kristan ka Christian faith and belief pagka jing shania ka jing hiublay ka Bible gaday ka foundation gaday ka tenrai ka nongrim jong gini ki egibaro. No wonder that to us Christians the Bible is an amazing book. Kakot kabapla. The Bible today is an amazing book. It is the textbook of our faith and belief and trust in God. And Bible is so amazing. The Bible kalong kakot kabapla do kata-kata. That people who read the Bible understand it differently and can interpret it differently. Ndai. Kiba pule ye ke Bible, kani ke jinglong pla jong ke Bible, Bagi ba pule ye ka ki sotho, ki don laga jong ke jing sotho, bat ki la ban batai halaga jong ke jing sotho ke jong ki.
Men sim jonga kurman tang hublay na ukawan jing penem ay mauulang umau siang jonga bat kakut baskan Tang hamitrai jing in ashania milong kasti bajing yada milong kabor mi uba kershan ya jing im jonga ngarom sheping ya ki jing nganom sheping yakinong shun Jisu ulang unang yada uyeng hasenda jonga